All right, so this is on my computer and I'm in Firefox browser. So here's the screen. If you go down over here, it has the recipe. It doesn't say description, I guess, but you go down, just down from here. It's on Firefox, and you show more. And there's your whole recipe. Okay, that's on Firefox. Now this is on Chrome, okay, the browser Chrome. So here's the video. Go down, and you're right, it doesn't show description, but there's that, and it says in this, just show more, and again, there is the recipe. Okay, we're gonna look at how to find the description with the recipe on a tablet or an iPhone. So you tap that arrow. There we go. And here's the recipe. You just have to hit more, and there it is.